Okay, we're up to about 85. I've got a few more in the queue at the moment. They're just being edited and being written and whatever. I'm trying to add maybe 5 every couple of weeks, something like that. It really depends on my workload and how quickly my writers can get stuff over to me. I've got a big list of stuff that I want written. It's just a case of getting it written and getting it edited. I only have one editor at the moment and one writer, so it's a bit slow. But yeah, just regularly putting the content out. I mean, I've got the ambition of maybe getting it up to 200, 300, 400 articles. I don't know, as big as I possibly can. As I said, there is limitless, really, ideas in terms of the content that I can produce around roof boxes.
Very good. And it sounds like most of them are sort of product focused. Do you know the percentage of like product versus informational type content?
I'd say it's probably at least 85% product focused.
Okay. Cool.
There are a few articles that aren't roof boxes reduced. Aren't roof box focused, but I'm just trying to see if any of them are performing well in my analytics. Not really, no. They are generally all product focused. They're buyer's guides, I'd say.
How long are most of the buyer's guides?
They're between 1,000 and 2,000 words, something like that.
Okay. And have you experimented with like shorter content under 1,000 or very long content, maybe over 3,000 words? Just curious.
Yeah, I've got a few that are short, maybe 500, 600 words. I've not got a couple of them, not got more than a couple of them. I've got a couple of long ones. I did a big guide on Thule, which is a big manufacturer of roof boxes. That seems to be doing okay, so I called that the ultimate guide to the Thule roof boxes, because I noticed there are a lot of questions in Google all around Thule, like are they waterproof? How do they make them? How do you pronounce Thule? All those. Was it Thule or Thule? I don't know. So I thought I'd package all those questions together into one article and call it the ultimate guide. But yeah, that's like 14th on my list of content that's pulling in traffic. So I don't know. I don't know whether it's worth always investing in these longer articles. I don't know. I'm still kind of finding my feet, I guess.
Sure. And then, well, you sort of described like that particular ultimate guide. It sounded like you just did research on the questions and then answered those. Is that usually how you format such a guide, or was it that a one-off case?
That's normally how I'd approach it. Yeah, I'd see a lot of questions around a particular theme, and then I'd just use that as the subheadings within an article. So yeah, I could have had maybe 4 or 5 600-word articles, but I thought in that particular case, I'd just put them all together into one and see what happens. Because I was hoping that quite often you see when people do a search on Google with a question, sometimes it's not the main title of that article that comes up, but there'll be a hot link on Google or a quick link that jumps you straight to that question on that article. And that's what I was kind of hoping to get, that kind of that extra little link that you get on Google where it's got the article, but then it's got, skip straight to the answer to this question.
Okay.
I'm not sure if I've achieved it on that article. I probably need to look into it a bit more detail. But yeah, it's
Sure.
bringing in some traffic and it seems to be doing the business.
Very good.